Syncing your Google Calendar with Samsung Calendar helps you stay more organized, makes your schedule easier to access, and improves teamwork when managing events. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Google Calendar with Samsung Calendar on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. First, open up the Calendar app, then tap on the three-line icon from the top left corner. Now, scroll down to the bottom, then tap on Manage Calendars. Now tap on the plus icon from the top right corner. Next, tap on Google. Sign in with your Google account. Then go to the settings. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Accounts and Backup. Next, tap on Manage Accounts. After that, tap on your Google account. Then tap on Sync Account. From here, just enable the calendar. That's all for today's guide on syncing Google Calendar with Samsung Calendar. I hope this helps make managing your schedule easier. Keep staying organized and ahead of your plans. Don't forget to check back for more tips to improve your productivity. See you next time, and happy scheduling!